Hey everyone! Welcome to Grand Gears. Today we're diving into the world of luxury cars, those dream rides that make us all stop and stare. Whether you're a car enthusiast or just daydreaming about your ideal ride, you're in for a treat. Before we get started, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest content. Now, let's indulge in the beauty of luxury cars. First up on our list of luxury cars is the stunning Mercedes-Benz S-Class. This beauty is all about opulence, from its luxurious interior to its high-tech gadgets. Let's take a closer look and see why the S-Class has earned its spot among the top luxury cars of the year. Next in line, we have the sophisticated BMW 7 Series. This luxury car is turning heads with its powerful performance and exquisite craftsmanship. Stick around as we explore why the 7 Series is a symbol of elegance and luxury on four wheels. Breaking into the middle of our list is the Audi A8. Known for its cutting-edge technology and plush interiors, this car is the epitome of comfort and